National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Meeker County, eastern Kandiyohi County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Atwater, or 10 miles east of Wilmer, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Grove City around 6:35 p.m. Litchfield around 6:45 p.m. Dassel around 6:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Greenleaf, Darwin, Green Lake, Litchfield Airport, Kandiyohi, Stroud, Haywick, Lenana, Lake Coronis Regional Park, and Forest City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe